When I joined I was an undergrad. I just started college. Until then, I didn't realize that there are layers to patriarchy. I wasn't given a choice to go out with my friends or mingle with people, but then I was always given a choice to choose whatever I wanted to study. When I came here, I realized at least I'm given a choice to study. These people, the backgrounds that they come from, it was predetermined that they have to end up the way their parents did. In my center, the children, they have parents but they live in a shelter home because they do not have enough money to source their education. In fact, few of them on purpose fail so that they can stay in the center. I met a volunteer, his name is Udbhav, and every time he teaches, if there is any child who is challenging, he finds it as a challenge for his own self. One day he came into the center and gathered all the employees from the center. He asked them to share their stories with the children. The children were relating to what these women went through. They never gave up and they got employed. Independence to them wasn't through the same path that their parents chose. It was by understanding that hardship will last a little longer than they expected, but if they stick with it a little longer, they'll be able to make a better future, not just for their own selves, but also for the next generation. There was one kid who wasn't very interested in education at all. She failed twice. If she were to fail the third time, she wouldn't have any other way. Udbhav made her realize that you have to somehow change your belief system, and she did. She passed her exams. There was one other kid, she was very bright, but she wasn't willing to learn either. She came to me and she said, Akka, I want to do a desk job. I want a system in front of me. I want to be typing and I want a person to come to me and get signatures from me. Getting to realize that she has a dream made me really happy that, she got back to what she wanted to do.